Hey YouTube, on today's episode of Garage Boys, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a BMW E90, E92, E93. Basically any BMW between the years 2006 and 2012, so 2006 to 2012. And we're going to remove the driver's side door panel. It's the same if you have a two-door or a four-door, but this is the driver's side. And it's very easy, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is going to remove this little metal, well, it's not metal, plastic little molding right here on the side. Sometimes it's wood, sometimes it's plastic, just like mine. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. I'm gonna use a flathead, just like this, and I'm gonna go in the corner. I'm gonna do it in that corner, just in case, you know, I mess it up or whatever, I scratch it, it's gonna be over there and nobody will be able to see it. You can also start here on this side, but you can scratch it and you may not want that. So this thing has a couple of clips. It has probably one, two, it has like 8 clips or so, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove it and show you what to do next. So all right, guys. So I did the little corner just so I can do it with my hands, and I'm gonna start popping it, and I'm gonna show you the locations of the clips so that we'll see. This one broke already. That sucks. Okay, let's see. And pop and pop. Okay. So I guess we have just one failure. Okay, so these are the clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm still able to use this once. I'll just have a do something with that. But okay, now that we did that, we're gonna go ahead and remove some screws that are in here, and I'm gonna show you how many and which size they are. So here we go. All right, guys, so now that you removed that plastic cover, there's 3 screws. They're in here. I already removed one that goes right there, which is this one. It's a star. It's a TORX T20. So it's a T20. And there's 3. There's one right there. There's one in here. You can see it there. And then there's one in there. So there's 3 holes right there. And we're gonna remove those, and then we're gonna move on to the clips that are on the vehicle. We're gonna start from the bottom. We're gonna make our way up, and then remove the door panel. It's actually a very easy process. And then we're gonna unplug the cable. So let me go ahead and remove these 3 screws and then show you what you have to do next. All right, guys, so I removed those 3 screws, very easy with a T20. Now I came down here and I used the flathead. Where did I put it? I don't know. But I just put in the flathead in here and popped this out. I already did a couple at the bottom, as you can see. But just place in your flathead inside and then pull backwards, because there's a clip right in this area. And then once you get that clip out, you're gonna start popping just like that. Popping. There's a couple of clips up here. There's 3 or 4. But you're gonna pop at the bottom, which I already did. Pop on the sides, and then there's, like I mentioned before, there's this one's up here. There we go. Those are the clips on top. And then let me unplug my phone. All right, guys. This is what we have right here. Let's see. Let me get in position. All right, so now we're gonna unplug a couple of things so we can drop the door panel. And we have a lot of electrical stuff, and just bear with me because these plugs are, these BMWs are always tricky, but it's okay. So this is just a pull out. This one should be the same. Just pull, okay. Perfect. And look at the clips. This one broke, obviously. Boom. This one broke. If you need some clips, you can check in the description. You can buy some. I'm gonna put the link in the description, so you can buy like $5 for like 40 or whatever. But yeah. And then let me see if we can. Okay, now we're gonna remove this right here, and to remove this, you're just gonna get your flathead, and here at the bottom, move this to the side. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. That's difficult. There you go. Okay. So it's just this little clip on this side. Once you remove that, it comes straight up. To put it back in is very easy. Just push it back in, just like that. Now we're gonna come in here. Let's see. And then this plug, you just push this backwards. Let's see. I'm gonna get my flathead. I'm just gonna push this. There's a little button here. So I'm gonna, let's see, yeah, push this in. See this? Push that in, and then you can move this back. There you go. And it comes right out. Come on, all the way down. And there we go. Okay, that's that. And I think there's one more cable down here. This one, you just pulls out, just like that. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove your door panel. There we go. That's how you remove your door panel on this BMW E90, the 3 Series. And that's it. If it helped you, please like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any comments. You can check my BMW playlist if you want to look at more BMW videos and fixes in my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Take care.